Today, we're taking a closer look at a projector that aims to bring exceptional brightness, serious performance, and flexible installation into one device. This is the Epson PowerLite L265F 3LCD Projector, designed for spaces where visuals need to be clear, sharp, and truly pop off the screen. First impression. The build is compact, clean, and professional. The white finish helps it blend into classrooms, offices, and even modern home setups. It doesn't demand attention, instead, its performance does. Now let's talk visuals, because that's where this projector really sets itself apart. The L265F uses Epson's trusted 3LCD projection system, which means no rainbow effect, consistent brightness, and richer color output. Whether you're displaying slides, educational content, or cinematic media, images stay vivid and realistic. Text appears crisp thanks to WXGA resolution, making it suitable for charts, spreadsheets, and detailed layouts. Brightness is a huge factor in choosing a projector, and here you get a strong 4000 lumens. That means the projected view remains clear even if lights are on. Ambient light isn't a problem, making it perfect for conference rooms or public digital signage. The contrast helps give depth and separation to darker scenes, improving readability and movie immersion. Setup flexibility is one of its biggest advantages. You can place it on a tabletop or mount it overhead for a cleaner, more permanent setup. Keystone correction and image adjustment tools make it easy to square the picture without physically shifting the device. This is especially helpful in tight or oddly spaced rooms. Connectivity is future-ready, offering HDMI, USB, and VGA inputs, supporting both modern and legacy devices. Streaming sticks, PCs, gaming consoles, it's simply plug and play. In addition, wireless connectivity through Epson's iProjection feature allows you to mirror screens from smartphones and tablets quickly, removing cable limitations from your setup. Audio gets handled by a built-in speaker that is functional for presentations and casual viewing. But if you want deeper bass and theater-style sound, pairing with an external audio system is the way to go. The projector supports multiple audio-out methods, so upgrading sound is simple. Durability and long-term use were clearly considered in its design. With Eco Mode, the lamp lasts longer and consumes less power, lowering overall maintenance cost. You get reliability and strong performance without worrying about frequent replacements. So who is this projector for? Anyone needing a bright, versatile projection solution that adapts to different environments. Businesses wanting impactful presentations. Schools wanting better visibility for students. Home entertainment lovers wanting a big screen upgrade without a complicated setup. The Epson PowerLite L265F proves you don't need a high-end cinema machine to enjoy high-quality projection. It's practical, powerful, and built to deliver consistent image quality day after day. If you're ready to enhance your space with a stunning visual experience, this model deserves serious attention. If you want to buy the Epson PowerLite L265F 3LCD Projector tabletop or ceiling mountable, check the link in the description to learn more and grab yours today. White heavy checkmark YouTube description. Unique plus SEO optimized. Unlock an incredible projection experience with the Epson PowerLite L265F 3LCD Projector. Designed for classrooms, business presentations, retail signage, and home entertainment. Enjoy 4000 lumens of brightness, crisp WXGA resolution, and vibrant true-to-life color powered by 3LCD projection technology. With flexible installation options, wireless screen mirroring, and multiple connectivity ports including HDMI and USB, this projector delivers powerful performance with effortless setup. Perfect for spaces where clarity and brightness matter. Upgrade your visuals with Epson's trusted quality. Order yours today using the link in the description.